Hey everyone, in this quick fix, I'll show you how to stop VLC Media Player from lagging, stuttering, or skipping. Just a few simple settings and your videos will play smoothly again. Let's get started. Double-click to open your VLC Media Player on Windows 10 or 11. At the top menu, click Tools, then select Preferences from the drop-down. At the bottom left corner, change Show Settings to All. A long list will appear on the left. Scroll to Input/Codecs and double-click it. On the right side, find Preferred Video Resolution. If it's set to anything else, change it to Full HD or Best Available. Next, under Input/Codecs, scroll down to the Advanced section. You'll see an option called File Caching. Take the number you see, mine is 1000, and double it. So if yours is 1000, set it to 2000. If it's 2000, set it to 4000. Now, under Input/Codecs, open Video Codecs. Click on FFmpeg. On the right, find Threads. It's usually set to 0, change that value to 2. Still under Video Codecs, click on X264. On the right side, look for number of reference frames and set this value to 3. Next, scroll to the Video section on the left and open Output Modules. On the right, make sure Video Output Module is set to Automatic. If it's set to anything else, switch it to Automatic and click Save. Now reopen Tools Preferences again. At the top, select the Input/Codecs tab. Find Hardware Accelerated Decoding. If it's already set to Automatic, switch it to Disable. If it's on Disable, switch it back to Automatic. Click Save. That's it. Close VLC and open it again to apply all the changes. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tips.